Hello viewers, hello fantastic people. I'm super excited today because I am here to introduce to you a brand new concept. The Romance with Elegance is coming out with a very different flavor, a unique plotting, and it's more dramatic than it used to be. So I'm no more going to be sitting back behind the desk and just talking. I'm going to be doing more dramatic things and then showing you dramatically what exactly we are talking about. So stick around and enjoy yourself. I remain yours truly, Elegant Fabio. I am your host.
Hey viewers, welcome to my show. My name is Elegant and this is Romance with Elegance, bringing you that romantic moment and a spark of happiness in your relationship life.
Wait. Can you see this? My friend Bola. Oh, she's about to get married. Oh.
Fantastic.
Oh, seriously, this is good.
Yeah, that's very lovely. And I know what you want to tell me right now, and I'm ready for you. You want to say that she has brought out the dress for the marriage, and you want me to give you money for it?
Babe, no.
I have the money for it. Just tell me.
I know you have the money, but that is not what I want, babe.
What exactly do you want? Make what official?
I can't just wait to spend the rest of my life with you, babe. I can't just wait to have your ring, like your ring on this finger of my finger. Oh God, I know what you're thinking. Actually, are you size 10? I know you're thinking of how you want to propose to me. Yeah, like, just...
Can you shut up? Vivian. What are you talking about? Did I tell you I'm ready to get married? Like, I am not ready to get married. And that's it. So there is no point of you talking about size 10, size 9, size whatever shit you're talking about.
Oh, babe, no, babe, stop it. I know you're joking. No, wait, I know you're joking. We've been dating for 2 good years, babe. 2 good years. I've spent 2 good years of my life with you. What are you saying? You're not ready to get married. Then what are we doing? For the past 2 years, babe. Are you for real? Are you joking? No, I know you're joking, please.
Can you calm down?
I know you're joking. I can never calm down.
We're in public. I mean, this is...
I don't care. Put ring on this finger, then I will calm down. What are you saying? For 2 good years of my life. Oh God, no. I know you're joking.
Okay, this is it. Alright. I guess I have not found the wife I want to get married to. I have not found the woman.
Excuse me. What do you want? You have good house, you have good car, you have good job. So what are you saying? What else do you want? What do you want?
What do I want?
Yes, what do you want?
That's a very nice question. Alright viewers, what do you want is the point, right? She's asking me what exactly I want in a relationship. Well, we've been dating for good 2 years. I mean, 2 fucking years we've been dating. We've had a lot of sex, we've had a lot of times, we've had the good and the bad times. And then this is the point that we have to prove our relationship if it really is heading towards the right destination. This is it. The question is, am I ready to settle down with Vivian? The answer is no. So guys, do you really want to know why I cannot settle down with Vivian? We are all set to unfold to you in our subsequent episode why I can never settle down with Vivian. In our society today, there are a lot of people who are not really happy with their relationships. So if you're watching me right now and you're happy with your relationship and you can marry the person you are dating if he or she proposes to you, drop a comment right now and tell me that you are good with your relationship. But if not, also drop a comment and tell me why you are not ready to marry who you are dating right now, because this is an issue in our society today and we have to talk about it and showcase to you so you can learn from it. So go nowhere, watch all our episodes and you are going to thank me later for it. This is Romance with Elegance and see you in our next episode.